St Anselm Church and Southorn Street precinct. The church was constructed in 1910 on Main Road, following the destruction of the original Gardner Street site in 1908. It was moved to this site in 1946. The Reverend T.H. Pickburn wrote of the move, citing 3 years of planning and eventual relocation, which took 1 week. The weather was kind, but locals had their doubts that it could be done, mainly due to the steepness of the site. However, the church rose majestically and stayed intact for the short journey to Southorn Street. Frantic work began by parishioners to ensure the church was ready for the bishop's visit, painting, polishing furniture, laying felt on the sanctuary floor, and hanging curtains, all completed within a few hours of the bishop's arrival. The belfry and bell were a later addition relocated from Port Fairy and first tolling in 1959. The vicarage was constructed in 1939 and later became the home of the Beech Forest Preschool in 1973. Southorn Street. A number of businesses were moved from Gardner Hill to Southorn Street around 1914. This included the Ditchley Park Hotel and next door to that, a butcher's shop which operated until 1940. A hairdresser, drapery and clothing shop run by Dolce McCashney from 1919 to 1930 also operated in this area. Station Master Dick Southorn, whom the street was named after, moved to his second residence here at the East End in 1920, which is still standing today with a Heritage Victoria listing. Images on this sign include a photograph of Alice Hall's wedding at St Anselm Church circa 1915, a photograph of moving the church in 1916, and a photo of the second Ditchley Park Hotel on Southorn Street circa 1920.